This is the Umzimkhulu River Bridge in Port Shepstone, July 2023. And now, April 2025. Notice how that column has shifted significantly. Due to safety concerns, the bridge was closed to traffic on March 17, 2025, and repairs are officially set to begin on May the 11th. But here's some good news. As announced in the Government Gazette on April the 23rd, a 100% toll rebate will apply to frequent users at the Oribi Toll Plaza from May 8th until September the 30th. The rebate is for SANRAL frequent user account holders using the N2 South Coast Toll Road between the Oribi Northern Ramp and the Umzimkhulu Southern on and off ramps. So if you're a daily commuter affected by the closure, this is a small but helpful win while the 190 million rand upgrade project gets underway. Let's hope the work wraps up ahead of schedule and we see this vital bridge fully restored soon. Stay safe and travel smart, and have yourself a good long weekend. Take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.